What's up guys, Jason here for TechnoBok Unboxings, and you join me in a familiar natural setting. Apologies if you hear any seagulls overhead. It's clearly that season, we're not far from the ocean, but out here in the beauty of nature, and I've been sent a very large box. And I don't know what it is. No, I lie. I do know what it is, but it comes with a lot of excitement. It's large, it says fragile, so without further ado, let's cut it open. Let's see what comes inside. Let's get into the review. Now, you've probably clicked on the link in the description, so you know what it is as well. But I'm extremely excited to get my hands on it because I haven't physically played with one. And if you know much about the Lenovo brand, you'll know they're incredibly innovative. So now that I've got this unboxing blade, let's cut it open and see what it looks like. Now, if I know a thing or two about the brand, Lenovo always put together a very impressive show in terms of the packaging and in terms of the product. They really do focus on innovation and doing things a bit different, thinking outside of the box. So let's see what it looks like here. First thing we greeted with when we cut it open is a package in here, and it says here MediaPad, Lenovo MediaPad, and you can see the branding there, X1. So let's open this further and see what we greeted with within this package. So if we open this very neat looking little box here, take the handle apart, get rid of some of the foam padding, we'll throw that aside, and in here, in true sense of what Lenovo always do, you greet it with a very premium experience. It's a very high quality feeling box, ThinkPad X1, red and black, very slick, feels almost like a hard-covered book, and of course opening this will reveal the contents, and right away you're greeted with a massive display on the front. You got a forward-facing camera, and of course, as I mentioned, this is not just any ordinary laptop PC. This is more of a revolution, more than just an evolution. So if we take the product itself, tip it forward, feels like taking a tablet out of here, and that's because of course it can be used as one. You can literally fold it in any which way, and you've got this really premium style. I love this. The back of it's got a very leather type texture, the ThinkPad X1 branding, and it just is extremely slick. Below the actual device itself though, we've got another little compartment here in the box, and if we open that, see what comes inside. Almost like opening a book here, you get greeted by this, the keyboard dock, and might I add, a very nice one. Not only incredibly slim, I don't even know how they managed to pack this. It is lightweight, it is slim, it's got a stylus holder on the side, a little flap for it, and what a nice looking keyboard. The perfect tool of course for typing mails and getting the full use out of the ThinkPad X1. And apart from that, we've got an area below, and if we look in there, it's your instructional manuals and that kind of stuff. But let's put the box aside for a second and let's get into using the device, the keyboard, the actual device itself, and see what it offers. So this is the first boot. It's the first time I've played with it, and what I can already tell you straight away, apart from the feel, which I keep mentioning feels premium, and it really does, it feels incredible in the hands, what I really love about this is it's of course got a display which folds. So there you go, you can see I'm folding the display, but unlike some folding devices which I've used, you can clearly see a bit of those sort of crease lines the wear in the display. This one is so incredibly well done. There we go, it's bonging away at me to say I need to charge it, but it looks so incredibly well done. It's like one seamless piece. The hinge is beautiful, and what a device. You can of course fold it up like this, carry it around like a little book or notepad, easy to take to a meeting, or unfold it, clip on your keyboard dock, and you've got a full large tablet-based style PC interface, full on Windows, and of course you can mount your keyboard dock and you've got a full laptop PC. It really is the best of all worlds. So taking a look around it, let's jump into using the device a bit. If we swipe in here, it's got the full Windows 10 experience. Everything you'd expect, but what's more impressive and perhaps what you don't expect is this display is pin sharp. The touchscreen is pretty much as I'd expect, incredibly sensitive, and just feels much like the device, incredibly well put together. And as far as I'm concerned, if you want a laptop PC that's very impressive, this is it. If you want a tablet PC that blows the others out the water, well, job done. That's what you've got here. And if you want something that you can go to a meeting with, like this, like a simple little book, put it on the table, pull it out, and have the full Windows 10 experience and functionality with a forward-facing camera, which is ever so important these days for video conferencing, with the wealth of features and specifications on offer here, then this is it. This has been a quick look at Lenovo's X1 Fold, and it really is incredibly impressive.